Now we are going, okay guys. Now it's going to reach. Man, it's so up. So tired happening, man. So up happening. Step. Unnecessary tired, man. Let's see what we get. I think there is the Shiv Mandir. Wow. I think so. We finally reach here. This is or not? What? This is a hidden place. Okay. Wow, it's so unbelievable, man. Hidden place. Look, guys. This is a Shiv Mandir. What? Feeling so scary, man. First time looking in. What? Looked inside. And there is a hole, okay? I don't know what is that. Oh, looking so scary, man. Now going back, okay, from this road. Let's burn our calories. Tired happen or not? Hello? So tired happening, man. What? No, man. Let's go. So guys, now we are going back, okay? This is my friend. Now we are going back. We both are coming here and looking this Shiv Mandir or this what Gufa. We came here and going back, okay? Now let's see in how many time we can reach downside. First time coming to so amazing place, man. Hidden place inside the mountain. This all are mountain, okay guys? Look. Who can believe, who can say this? That here is a Shiv Mandir. Nobody, man. This all are mountain. This all are Pasighat mountain. Inside this Pasighat mountain we see this Shiv Mandir. Now going back, okay? Let's see. And there downside also there is a place, okay? I'm going to show you now there. Let's see. Let's get downside first. Now see this little ananas also happening. This is called what? So many sharp pineapple. Wow, it's amazing, man. Looking so paka, but it's now only a baby, okay? It's not paka, it's kacha. And now we are going downside. Let's see. Hey, looking my friend, look there. He is going, my friend is downside. Now I should go there. Wow, it's so terra beka, man. Left right. So paining, man. My leg is so paining happening and don't know what happened, what not happened. My leg is, I think, fracture happening. So many down going. Guys, looking this way, so many up, man. When I was going upside, then not showing this place, okay? Because that time I am not capturing video. Now downside I am going, okay? That's why I'm capturing and showing you guys. You should also come here. So amazing, man. This amazing place, hidden place. This is a downside, and look, there is a little mini bridge. What small, looking so cute, na? Look, guys. And this is what called tunnel or what called, I don't know, man. So water is crystal clear happening. So white. Under water there is so many fish, okay guys, looking. And wow, it's amazing, man. And look, this is valid mini waterfall, water coming, not water, one drop. And look that side. I come from that upside and going now this side and this side and going, okay? Now What an amazing place, man. And look this bridge. Wow. Hey, come here, okay? Photo, take a photo. And this is the look, guys, so clear happening, man. You can see the stone from outside, and what is so clear, man. Now, guys, we are going to see from where this water is coming. Let's see now. Oh, look, downside there is the water. Okay, I'm exploring. Okay, we are exploring this jungle. What having, what not having. Let's see, guys. We are not getting the ending. Okay, guys, so many far we came here, but look, so maintenance happening now, so white and so clean happening now. Who making this, man? I don't know, man. Who are the engineer of this place? I don't know, but man, so clear happening. What, man? Oh, there is making. Okay, something I saw there. And look, guys, there is the way. Looking, guys, there is a way, and there is a nadi. Okay, there is a river, not Amazon river. Okay, there is only mini river, and here is the again mini river. Now going. Let's see what getting, what not getting. Finally we reach here. Don't know what is the place, but the water is so beautiful, man. It's so amazing. And what is this? Is a bed or what? For sleeping, bed making. Oh no, man, it's a bridge. Okay, here making a bridge. From downside water is going, and from upside human are going. You can see downside. I think we guys are not going till there. Okay, but guys, because there is so far, man. We are going back. What, man? This is the hidden place. And from look that side, stone falling, then we are getting to heaven. We are going heaven. Okay, if stone falling, yeah, let's go. What, man? What is this? These guys are cleaning happening, and this, look, this girl is so naughty, man. Looking, look what he's done now, throwing waste on this clean water. What the, man? And look that lip, that girl one throwing there. Okay, now coming here. Let's see who can fast again coming. Okay, let's run. Let's run. So paining, man. My leg is so tired now. So many kilogram climbing. That's why. Yes, look there is a open place. Okay, now let's go there. Look, that is the Howrah Bridge. Okay, Howrah Bridge. Looking and crossing so many car, vehicle, two-wheeler. What happening? And look, this there is a, you can pause and you can read. Okay, yeah. You guys are so amazing, man. I think you guys will read that. What called that one? Notice. And here, look, is the. Hey, come, okay. You don't know Salah English reading. And this is a house, and this is an open place. Guys, this is a literally, okay, this is a hidden place. Okay, hidden place of this jungle. This is Pasighat jungle. Near this village name is Kabang village. Near. It is this place is from far from Pasighat. Okay, but this village name is called Kabang, and there is the Howrah Bridge, and this is a Abistir. We are going there. Then he is still reading. I think don't know ABCD. That's why. And look downside. There is a river. Okay, white river, black river. Water. Man, look, guys. And this is only my video. Okay, guys. And this is the Howrah Bridge. The old one, the backbone, and that is the new bone. Okay, then making new one. Let's zoom little. Then look, this is biggest Howrah Bridge one. This is a small Howrah Bridge. Okay, what cool. And this is the concrete. What crane happening and what not happening, don't know, guys. Now this is the only video, and I hope you guys look the Shiv Mandir, hidden Shiv Mandir. There is upside. Okay, we are going there and come back, and this is the place. Okay, now we are going back home also, and let's till then bye bye. Okay guys, wait for my another video. Till then bye bye, stay tuned, stay waiting. Okay, and share my video, tap sharing. Okay, okay guys, let's tata, bye bye.